Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are an emergency physician preparing for the MRCEM Single Best Answer Exam or SBA for short, this video is for you. I know how tough it can be to balance a busy workload in the emergency department with studying for such an important exam. In this series, we are going to break it all down into manageable steps, give you practical strategies, and make your preparation journey a whole lot smoother. So, what exactly is the MRCEM SBA exam? Well, this exam is designed to test your knowledge, your clinical judgment, and most importantly, your decision making skills in emergency medicine. Passing it is a huge milestone on your path to becoming an emergency medicine consultant in the UK. Let's talk about the exam format in more detail. The MRCEM Intermediate SBA examination consists of a multiple choice question paper with 180 single best answer questions in total. Now, here is how it's structured. The exam is divided into two separate papers, each containing 90 questions, and you will have 2 hours to complete each paper. Both papers are taken on the same day with 1 hour break in between to recharge. The examination is delivered electronically through Pearson VUE, a computer-based testing company that RKM uses for its written examinations. That means you will be sitting the test in a formal exam center, answering all your questions on a computer screen. So in total, you will have 4 hours of testing time with 180 opportunities to score points. Remember, each question carries equal weight and there is no negative marking. So it's always worth selecting your best possible answer, even if you're not 100% sure. In this section, we will discuss what examiners are looking for. Now, here is the key. It's not just about memorizing facts. Examiners are looking to see if you can apply your knowledge in real clinical scenarios. That means showing strong reasoning, safe decision making, and being able to prioritize sick patients under pressure. So, when you are revising, focus on interpreting clinical data correctly, recognizing the sickest patient first, and always thinking safety first in your answers. This video is all about laying the foundation for your preparation. Understanding the exam itself is the first step to mastering it. In the next videos, we will dive into specific strategies, high-yield revision topics, and tips on how to maximize your limited study time. So if you are on this journey, stick around because we are going to make sure you're ready and confident when you sit that exam. Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge when it comes to revision. I would love to hear from you. And remember, with your right plan, you can absolutely balance work, life, and exam prep. See you in the next video.